Are we gonna go on an adventure? Oh, Canada. Right, just packed up the cooler. Okay, we are loaded down to the max. Road trip. Welcome to episode 1 of Wandering Wild Thangs, where me and my 3 fur babies adventure around the Pacific Northwest in my Forerunner Bear Claw. In today's episode, we're headed north to Vancouver, Canada to see the Capilano suspension bridge. This was my first time traveling abroad solo since my trip to Germany in high school, so I was a little nervous, and they asked me a million questions at the border, but I finally got through and made it to camp. Well, we finally got camp set up. It's dark, but it's only like 5 o'clock. We got our bed made, and it looks like the rain might hold off so we can go for a walk. We're at a nature preserve. It's called the Great Blue Heron Nature Preserve. But they're supposed to close the doors or the gates at dusk, but they didn't. So that means I can access the trail. It would suck to get locked in there though. But I swear I heard somebody pull up earlier and park and they never left. So I wonder if they're sleeping up there. Either way, we might go check it out. But the only thing I got on the agenda tonight is we're gonna cook us up some chili and go to bed early so we can get up early and check out the sights. I crossed the border in the dark, so I actually have no idea what anything looks like yet, but can't wait. So see you tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning, little babies. Little sweet little babies. You're so cute. Are you hungry? All right, so we came over here to do a quick little hike, and then we're gonna go get breakfast. It's beautiful. Everywhere you look, there's snow-covered peaks. I love it here. So we are on a trail called Peach Creek. I think that's Peach Creek. To get some brekkie burritos at this awesome place right on the river here. And this place is called Land Cafe, and it's also a yoga studio. I'm hungry. I'm so gonna smash this burrito, man. After our cute little hike and that delicious brekkie burrito, we started our hour-long trek west to check out downtown Vancouver and the famous Christmas market. At this point, I had been looking for a parking spot for over 40 minutes, and that was just to go to the bank. So I threw the original plan out the window and we hit the road again. Well, we ixnayed the Christmas market because I spent like 45 minutes trying to find a parking spot for the bank. We hadn't even made it to the market yet. So if that was any indication, I'm just not, you have to spend $20 just to get into the damn market. That's just for admission. But I'm not more of an outdoorsy girl, I guess. I'd rather spend my money on gas to drive farther. Anyways, we came to this hike instead. It's called Cypress Falls. Willow, slow down. And this trail is leash free. I have her on a leash just because she's afraid of people, and this trail does have cliffs. And I just don't want her to make a wrong move out of fear. Little baby. This is beautiful. But anyway, so I might hit up the market in the morning, but probably not. Our tickets for the Capilano suspension bridge are for tomorrow. And I was planning on making a whole day of it. So we're gonna do this hike. It's less than 2 miles round trip. Oops, sorry, baby. And then go find a place to sleep because I don't have one yet. But we'll figure it out. You guys are so beautiful. Basically, if you die beyond this point, it's not their problem. We didn't die though, so it's all good. Man, that waterfall is raging. It's just so cool to me that they have off-leash trails because we don't have leash-free trail. There's one leash-free trail that I know of, but it's only like a mile long. Baby. You a drink? Olive. Came and got a juice and a vitality shot from this place called Local Lift, and it's so cute because we're right next to a ski resort and they have like chair lifts inside for seating. It's so cool. Forgot to bring my phone, otherwise I would have showed you guys. Here we go. I'm gonna take my wellness shot. It's ginger, lemon, orange, turmeric with a little bit of cayenne. Well, the sun is setting. My camera is making it look a lot lighter than it is. But this is where we're sleeping for the night. We got a marina down here. We're going down a hill and chill and watch some Friends probably, maybe some Trent the Traveler, and have a groovy night here at the marina. That's how she's sitting. What is that, grass? Is that grass in your mouth? Were you saving it for later? Surprise, we're having chili again. Well, it is about 6:30. We're actually all cozied in for the night. I know that sounds silly, but I'm exhausted. So it seems quiet. It's an eye-overlander spot. There's cars like kind of in and out. It seems like a general parking area around here. I don't know, wherever I am. I hope they don't kick us out, but I will let you know if they do. And I'm gonna eat, probably pass out myself. So we will talk to you guys in the morning. Good night. Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Check it out. Eh?
Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about, so we can land and spend up all our nose.
Well, we found an off-leash dog park. It's right on a lake. It's got all this open grass area. Oops, sorry. All this open grass area here, over there, over here. And then the lake is over there, which we're gonna head over there in a second. It looks like there's a couple more doggies over there. I'm having a great day so far. Oh, I better grab their leash to keep everyone together. But yep, we're gonna do this, go grab some gas, head up to do a hike that's kind of near the lake. And then we're gonna hit up Capilano Suspension Park Bridge Park. I love this tree.
Celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we're in. It'll be like the movies, like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise a toast for all the.
Hi.
Hi.
Wow, this place is so fun. Oh yeah, we're coming back at night for sure. Oh, I can't wait, that's where we're headed. You guys are being so good. My babies. This is crazy, it's swaying. It's so bouncy. It's not for the faint of heart. Definitely not for people who are afraid of heights. Come on, this way. Good job, baby. Oh, sorry, excuse us. Good job, babies. Dear. Oh, this is trippy as. Oh, you guys are so good. That's so weird, huh? It's as unsteady as it looks. This place is so fun. All right, good girls. You guys are being so good. I have the best damn dogs in the world. I can bring them literally anywhere. And they are just so well behaved. Willow whines once in a while, but it's just out of excitement. Or at least that's what I'm gonna say. It's my story, I'm sticking to it. Oh, I can't wait. I'm not gonna do the treetop adventure with them because there's a lot of people and it's narrow and they don't like stuff like that. So we're gonna do all the stuff that's like this, and then I'm gonna go drop them off and then come back and do some shopping and take some pictures. Someone took a picture for me. I think it's cute. But yeah, this is awesome. This is called Raptors Ridge, what we're on now. You're gonna have to pull me down the stairs. Willow, slow you roll, please. You're doing good. Hold on. All right, come on. That was fun. And it's so pretty here. It's okay, come on. I dropped off the girls so that they could just rest, get some water, get some food, and I'm gonna go shopping. I'm also gonna do the treetop adventure because I didn't do that with them, and get some coffee and some food, and then come back and figure out if I'm tired enough to drive home or not, or if I want to camp out one more night.
Suspension bridge all over the world.
Well, I came to the trade post after I dropped the dogs off at the truck, and I got a couple things. Got a hot apple cider. And then I got a couple things. So I got like the most Canadian thing that I could think of. Also because I actually wear these all the time. So should wear it. Should wear it around the park. I love it. So that's that. And then I got a hoodie. Pretty cute. It was only 50 bucks, which is still pretty expensive, but compared to the other stuff that I was looking at, it was really cheap. And then I got a patch for my Forerunner, and a sticker for the Forerunner, and a postcard for my parents. All right, now I'm gonna go do Treetop Adventure because I don't have the dogs. And I'm gonna mosey so that it gets dark while we're here. Moose has big balls.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I decided I'm gonna head home tonight after all, because why not? Because I'm wide awake and I'm purposely staying here until it gets dark, and I hate getting to a campsite when it's already dark out. So
Mira cómo.
No, tiene que calar a